Like, why did I ever stop eating white rice? 6 months we'll have a brand new home. Red onion, bananas, sweet potato.
Hi there, can I just get a medium Whopper Junior meal?
Are you fine? Like, these are tripods. Good morning guys and happy Monday. I'm just in the middle of making my lunch at the moment. Andy's also making his lunch. But I can't help but laugh at this. So he's making a burger right now, and I just saw on the corner of my eye the way that he gets his lettuce. And I just feel like it's such a boy thing. Like, look at this. He attacks it from the inside. Like, do most normal people not, like, you know, peel the outside? He goes, are you fine? Like, I do not understand.
You just get the best bits that way.
Oh gosh. Anyway, I'm in the middle of cooking up my little omelette for lunch. And then I think we're gonna go for a walk because the sun is shining today, which is very rare in Melbourne. So we'll get some vitamin D. I've just been doing client check-ins this morning, and I had a client call and also a PT. So yeah, been a little bit of a busy gal, but I don't really have any plans. You've got...
My outfit?
Turn around.
Oh no.
Turn around. What is that?
It's peanuts fluff.
Anyway, happy Monday. Just on another afternoon stroll. The sunset was too nice to miss, so I will show you guys when I get down to the beach, but you can kind of see it in the background here. I've literally just been at my desk all day working. I also randomly decided to put my ebooks on sale, so I did that this afternoon. Little like end of financial year sale, but by this time the video goes up they probably won't be on sale anymore, but you can still get your hands on them if you want to check out my recipe ebook or my workout ebook. But yeah, I'm just going to go for this walk and then we're going to head to the gym. Good morning guys and happy Tuesday. It honestly feels like Wednesday today though, so not gonna lie, I'm a little bit confused with the days. But this morning I just had some PT clients, I did a client call, and then I just had a call with my accountant. So that is really scary and also very like adulty of me. I've never had an accountant before, but now that I'm like a sole trader and running my own business, I definitely needed an accountant's help because I do not know what I'm doing. I studied accounting and got like a D, so pretty much nearly failed. But I have a whole list of things here, a lot of random things I need to do, like open a separate bank account and like just change my PayPal and all that kind of stuff. But it was super helpful. I'm so excited to lodge this next tax return, because once I've lodged it, it means that we can go to the bank and get a second home loan, which hopefully means in the next, like, you know, 3 months, 6 months, we'll have a brand new home, and I'm so excited. So it's been a few hours now. I just actually filmed a little workout video for my Instagram. So if you're interested, definitely head over to my Instagram. I will leave it here on the screen if you guys wanted to check it out. But now I think I'm about to have a shower and wash off my tan. I did a fake tan this morning, and then at 5 o'clock we have a call with a mortgage broker, and I'm so excited because it just means we're one step closer to getting this home loan. And we didn't actually have a mortgage broker for this place that we bought. We just kind of did everything ourselves and with the bank and stuff. So I'm really excited to kind of have a mortgage broker's opinion, and hopefully they can help us get like a better deal. But yeah, I'm just super excited, and Good morning, guys. Wow, this lighting is horrible. It is 9:45 and I just got out of my chiro appointment this morning. Feels so much better now. My back was really starting to tense up the last week or so with all the training. Now I'm just gonna drive home, and then I have some client calls this morning. I don't think I filmed anything yesterday, but I was filming a whole heap of TikTok and Reels, so it was just too much to film the vlog as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a podcast on and drive home. I look a little bit crazy right now because I just hopped out of the shower and I'm just making some dinner now. So on the menu tonight is tikka masala. I'm sorry if this is very loud. I've got the microwave going, the friggin' air vent, the fry pan is loud, but I'm just cooking up some white rice, some chicken, and I'm gonna top it with this bad boy. So I often get questions on my Instagram whenever I make a curry, what's my recipe? This is my recipe most of the time. I used to always make my butter chicken from scratch, but ever since I found this brand, I just can't go past it. A, it tastes so good. B, it's obviously a lot easier because it's just like already made. And C, this brand is all natural, so I just really enjoy using these. They have so many different flavors. We also use the teriyaki one a lot as well, but highly recommend checking them out. Obviously not sponsored, you just get it at Woolies. So I'm just going to use this and also some light coconut milk to make the curry, and I'm going to add some like green veg into it as well for some nutrients. Honestly, it's crazy that I'm even making white rice at the moment, because back in the day, this used to definitely be one of my fear foods. I literally don't think I ate white rice, but I'm going to say 3 years, 4 years even maybe. But for the last year or so, I've been adding it into my diet, and I freaking love white rice. Like, why did I ever stop eating white rice? It makes me so sad to think about that. But now, I get to enjoy everything in moderation, so life is good. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to make our dinner. Time for a little chill night. It is now 9 p.m. and I've just gotten into bed, and I'm going to bring up an episode of The Bold Type to watch. I have a mini Magnum ice cream, and I'm also going to paint my nails. Andy's out there watching the footy, so I thought I would just take this opportunity to kind of like have a little pamper night. I'm taking advantage while the footy's on. But yeah, this is an ideal night.
That was really stupid.
Try it.
No.
So I just got 2 packages in the mail, and I thought I would show you guys what I picked up because it is new camera equipment and I'm super excited for it. I ordered it on Amazon I think maybe 2 nights ago, so the fact it's already come is incredible. There was one other thing I ordered as well, so that should hopefully be coming ASAP, but I wanted to show you guys just in case anyone watching this also like makes content, whether it's like filming YouTube videos or, you know, if you take Instagram photos and stuff, because these are tripods. Whenever I set my camera up like on my kitchen bench and stuff, our kitchen bench is really small for some reason, so I literally have to prop up like box after box after box in order to film in there, and it just becomes really like annoying after a while. And also, like, if I decide I want to film in the gym or anything like that, I just kind of wanted a smaller tripod that wasn't too like bulky, but that did the job. So here is the first tripod, the little baby tripod. Look how cute that is. I just feel like this is going to make my life so much easier when I'm filming workouts and things like that, because like I said, the one I have currently is just way too small, so I end up having to stack a bunch of stuff on top of each other. And they also have like adjustable legs, so you can make it like a little bit taller, but again, it's not like obnoxious. I thought it might inspire me to go out and shoot some content by myself. Watch me not do it though, because I am the most socially awkward human to ever exist. And then I also got a bigger tripod as well. So this one is mostly for filming YouTube videos. I think this one gets to 150 centimeters tall, so quite big. Again, it comes in a little bag. I find that so cool. I don't know why that intrigues me, but yeah, it's basically the same kind of deal, but it's just a lot bigger. So happy Saturday, guys. It is literally like 3 p.m. No, 3:30. I haven't filmed a single thing today because honestly, we haven't really done that much. This morning we were just filling in some forms for our mortgage broker, and then we had a quick little squiz at houses. I feel like it's overwhelming, so we kind of gave up on that around lunchtime. We went for a big walk, and now we're just about to clean the house because it's looking very messy at the moment. So that is what we're doing today. It has just started raining, so I think it'll be a cozy night. We'll probably order some takeaway. But yeah, cue the cleaning montage.
Closer, please.
Hi there, can I just get a medium Whopper Junior meal?
Do you have a cheese?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yeah, no worries. Coke for the drink.
Coke Zero.
Anything else?
And a large double cheeseburger meal.
Please, throw through.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, got the goods. Wild Saturday night in our household.
Oh, it smells so good as well.
Yes, it does. Am I wearing the same clothes as yesterday? Absolutely. We just went and did our grocery shop, so I thought I would show you guys what we picked up. So we shop at both Woolies and Coles, so this is a mixture of both. But the first things we got are fresh produce, so we just got an iceberg lettuce, red onion, bananas, sweet potato, some pumpkin. Yes, I am too lazy to cut up the real deal, and some spudlight potatoes. We also have apples, mandarins and oranges already in the fridge from last week. We have frozen broccoli because we go through this so quickly, so we always buy frozen. Tonight we're having these high protein pizza bases. These are the bomb. So Andy's having ham on his. I'm going to use some roast chicken on mine, and then I'm also going to use the leftovers to make a roast for my meal prep this week. For dinners, we've got beef burgers, chicken tenderloins that we're going to have like a curry or rice or something with, and then Andy has these chicken burgers for his lunches. I've got my almond milk, Andy just has his normal milk, some coffee. Then we have some light cheese slices for Andy's burgers and our beef burgers. I just have 2 yogurts this week. Let me know below if you guys struggle to have yogurt in winter too, because I have been absolutely dying trying to eat yogurt right now, but it's so high in protein, and it's like the easiest way for me to get my protein intake up because I don't eat eggs or anything really. So I'm trying to force myself to like it, but in winter, I just really don't want it. So anyway, I only bought 2 this week, but I am going to pair them with Fibre One bras because these 2 together, perfection. We have pineapple for Andy's pizza. Then we have the burger sauce and burger thins for burgers, obviously. Teriyaki stir fry, wholemeal bread. We found these at Aldi. Not obviously the healthiest choice in the world, but they're like banana mini magnums almost. Pretty low cal, so I don't know. This is just our little fun treat for the week. So I'm excited to try that. And then we just have some random cleaning products. Not really that interesting. But yeah, that is our weekly grocery shop. I'm gonna pop it all away now. I'm also gonna end out this vlog here because we literally are not doing anything else for the rest of the day other than going to the gym and going to bed. But please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below if you are new to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.